Are you guys crazy? You're trying to scare us? You think I'm scared? I'm just gonna keep walking. She is scared, but I'm not. You know?
Wait, be careful, wait, dude.
It's a beautiful stream. Who wants to swim?
Yes, we just stopped like in another
Looking dragon fucking fruit.
So
Okay. You go. What fruit is this? I don't think it is guana. No, it is. Dios, good.
Somebody to try it first. Flying with arrows.
We have guanagana we found on this tree.
Guanabana.
Guanake? Guanabana.
Have it.
Tomoko. In Swahili, it's tomoko.
First, I didn't do anything for y'all. I'm feeding you in the jungle.
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes, and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic, and that I caught you like that. It's like every time I walk into the room, you know you want what I have, I have. Turn it on, turn it off.
Honestly, we had been walking for about 3 hours, and there was nothing really. Maybe on this side of the forest there was nothing, just streams and insects and lots of mosquitoes, so, and trees of course, and just nature. So if there's something that you're looking for, maybe animals or hunting or something on this side of the forest from Leticia, there's nothing much, but it's a good place for hiking, just taking a walk and just having a good nature time. Maybe on the other side of Brazil or Peru, there are other things that you can do. I am looking forward to exploring that side, but this side, honestly, there's nothing. So don't come to this side expecting much, because there is nothing much in the forest, or maybe we just didn't go deep enough. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you've not subscribed. It's gonna mean so much, and let's keep growing.
But if you give me just a little time, I'll show you something you never had, never had. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back.
You guys nalipo.